Weld Powertools industrial machinery primarily deals with welding electrodes and construction supplies. Weld Powertools industrial machinery deals with a wide array of brands to choose from and has proven its valuable contribution in the industrial and construction sectors by providing a market-wide array of cost-beneficial products and services. Most of all, Weld Powertools industrial machinery has been recognized as one of the welding experts in the welding industry. Come and visit us at Junior Borja Extension, Gusa, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. Send email to sales@weldpowertoolsindustrialmachinery.com.